Hey guys, it's me Rajan. You know me as the YouTuber Bubblegum Jack. Today, Mom and I are going to show you our spicy Thai chicken wings recipe. This is our chicken. It's already cleaned and prepared. We have 12 chicken wings. If you could prepare the chicken for how much you want. So if you want 3, you could have 3. Okay, now guys, we are getting ready to mix our spices together. Mom, what are you gonna put in?
I put garlic, egg crow garlic.
Our spices and our ingredients.
This one, peppercorn. Okay. Tablespoon peppercorn and tablespoon cilantro seed, coriander, and tablespoon ginger. Right now, I go to torch up a little bit.
We're using a mortar and a pestle for this.
Oh, pepper come out. You know, have to do too much to do for this soft peppercorn, coriander seed, ginger.
If you guys like spicy chicken wings, it's gonna be the recipe for you. Okay, now that we have crushed our stuff, our spices and our
The
garlic.
spices smell very good. Okay, I gotta put in chicken bowl. Let's see. In bowl. Next, I gotta put light soy sauce, mushroom, light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and teaspoon turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yes. And teaspoon sea salt. That's right now I got to marinate.
We're going to get ready to marinate our meat.
I put my rub on. Spicy together.
Marinate this until all the spices are incorporated in the chicken wings. And mix it so it's all mixed up together.
Up to minute, I'm gonna put in fish 15 minutes to 20 minutes.
We're gonna
And
put,
after that, we're gonna put in oven.
we're gonna put it in the refrigerator to 15 to 20 minutes.
Make sure you mix together, spicy. Okay, I think they mix enough now.
Now we're getting ready to put this in the refrigerator. See you then.
Be nice if it could be.
Okay, guys, 15 minutes has passed, and now we're getting ready to put our marinated chicken in the oven.
Color look very good. Now we're gonna put like that. Big wings here. Color look very good. Big wing right here. This one's spicy. We have scallops, ginger, everything. We're gonna put on top.
We preheated our oven to 375.
Now chicken ready to inside oven. Okay.
Now.
Okay. Leave maybe 35 minutes. Then we're gonna come check.
See you guys then. Okay, now we're getting ready to take our chicken out and take a look.
Up to 30 minutes.
This is after 30 minutes.
We're gonna check the chicken cook. I put on top here. Oh, so this is nice color.
We cooked our chicken at 375.
Okay, I got to turn over. Turn chicken over. Other side. It's nice color. Okay, I turn another side over. I gotta put another 15 minutes.
See you guys then. Okay, guys, now it's been 15 minutes. Now we're getting ready to take our chicken out.
Okay, oh, looks so good. They smell very good. Look at that. Look at how chicken look. Food, I got to check food. How chicken. This one. Oh, very juicy inside. They smell very good. This is nice color. They smell spicy. Just be done. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get our latest updates on our videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.